India's hair loss widespread is growing, and so is the demand for clinically advanced solutions. With over 60 million people affected by hair loss, the hair restoration market in India is expected to reach 4,500 plus crore by 2030. The problem? Most treatments on the market are superficial: shampoos, serums, oils. Patients want real, evidence-backed solutions. Clinics want differentiated offerings with proven results. Introducing Dr. CYJ Hair Filler, a Korean innovation designed for the Indian market. The world's first peptide-based injectable hair filler, with 7 biomimetic peptides plus hyaluronic acid, targets DHT at the root, reactivates dormant follicles, uses sustained release technology for 14 plus days of action per session. Clinical evidence: 22.5% increase in hair density, 26% increase in thickness, visible results in 6 to 8 sessions, excellent outcomes in both androgenic alopecia and post-chemo regrowth. Already trusted by leading dermatologists across the world, seamlessly integrates into your trichology or aesthetic services. Short procedure time, high patient satisfaction, backed with marketing support and training by licensed partners.